Got to get it, Papa. It's a lovely day, a little bit of cloud, but not too much. It's kind of warm, but not too hot. And Arkansas Lime Company, where did I end up today? Oh, this is the Arkansas Railroad Museum in Pine Bluff. Let's go inside and see what's happening. Well, you got a pretty big building here with some pretty big stuff in it. Look at this. Cabooses. And you can go in. I'm gonna run around real quick. Let me go, let's see what's in here. In the caboose. Watch your step. Or else. I'm not gonna bring any food or drink in here, but okay, they got it set up. Ooh, I'm gonna go all the way through and see what happens on the other side. This is cool, train stuff. Woo-woo! Oh, they got the new timetable out. Oh, it's not till, it doesn't take place till Sunday, so that's okay. Uh-oh, well, this isn't something you want to run across, but it happens. Pay attention when you cross in the tracks. I see people drive around crossing guards and stuff, and I'm just waiting. One day it's not gonna be good. Ooh, what's back here? This is a cool tractor deal. Oh, look at that cool, that's a phone booth. An indoor fancy phone booth from someplace. Oh, watch my step. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Cool, you go from one right straight to the other. I'm watching my step. It just made a noise. This is a guard car. And here's some rules that you must obey if you ride in the guard car, or else. And remember, come on, don't be a jerk. Keep it clean for the next crew, okay? I mean, is that too much to ask? Gee whiz, some people. But yeah, it's like pretty much it. You got your bathroom here. Ooh, got your shower. Got a full kitchen. You do your cooking. Places to eat. And look back here. Normally they don't have this little lattice gate here, but this is where everybody passes out after a hard day of work. And I'll give you some specifics on it. Pretty cool. Everybody's got their own little ladder so they can climb up and wedge themselves against the ceiling on those top bunks. Pretty cool. Let's see what's going on out here. Oh, I gotta watch my step, so hang on. Oh, Look at that. I would not want that thing barreling down on me if I'm sitting at the railroad in my car. Look at that. Oh, keep off. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Oh, and you can go inside. Oh, cool. Huge fire truck here. But the ladder's bolt, that's a cool one. And it goes and it goes and it goes. And it goes, and we get a up bird's eye view. That's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna get in this giant monster thing. Let's see what's in here. Snow plow. It's not a whole lot in here, really. Oh, we have there's a little oven back here to warm things up. But there's a big handle I'm not gonna pull on. And these big tanks. And but here's where I want to go. This is how you drive this thing. It's got the snow wings. When there's the lights in the middle there. This is a monster, this thing. Oh, and if you get real brave, you can climb out this little window and crawl around on top while it's driving. Come on everybody, let's go. Oh, wait, maybe this one. Excuse me. And I didn't even hit my head. Lots of train cars. Some of them you can get in, and some of them they're still working on so that you can get in them. All kind of cool stuff. Let's see what's in here. All aboard? Well, oh. I was mistaken. I thought I came in and you just hit the wall. But you gotta come around the corner over here. It looks like a Harry Potter train. Oh, no, not exactly. This is like a cool apartment in here. Places for beds. Got your giant bathroom in there. Let's see who's in the next building. Oh, this is where the common folks stay. But look, you got your window. Oh, there's a bunch of them. And they're all bottom bunks too. That's pretty cool. And semi-public showers. Yeah. If you're modest, you better take care of all that at home before you get going. Oh, we're being followed. Let's check this out. Remember? Perform all work safely. You know, no throwing your tools around and stuff. Ooh, it's like the dining car. This is a fancy dining car. It's like a regular kitchen in there. Pretty cool. Like, here's a picture when it was all loaded up with food and those guys were cooking away. And then they serve it over here. At the long table. See if you can guess what this is. Oh, well, it says what it is on there. Remember to use the handrails, or you'll risk falling off the engine. Not a good move. You gotta climb way up. This is gonna be cool. This is almost like a ladder climbing up these steps, but they are steps. Ooh. Okay, and then you gotta watch out, because look, foot's right there, and there's the ground. So, okay, here we go. Got the wipers ready in case you get a little sprinkle. And here's the business end of this room. Excuse me. I mean, woo-hoo! And look, you can open up the windows over here, stuff like that, so you can hang out and wave at people. They put a little cushion there. And this is the official driver's chair. If you can see, it's got an SP on there for Southern Pacific, specifically for Southern Pacific, I think. There's some controls, and you got the bat phone in case there's a see a bat signal. We'll call Wayne Manor. And look, I'm not gonna pull it, but you know what this is, huh? Woo-woo! And yeah, you sit here and you can look out your own little window there, and all your partners that are riding with you, stand around the water cooler, can look out the taller windows. That's pretty cool. And if you get in a hurry, you could squeeze out this little window and climb along the side of the engine there, if you really want to. I don't think a lot of people like to do that. And don't forget, if there's somebody gets in your way, you can blast them with the torpedoes. That's cool. That's really cool. Do a little work on this one right here. Steam, just like the one I rode a while back in Texas. That's gonna be nice.
Hello.
Got a little bit of work to do on that one, huh?
Yeah, we're cosmetically restoring it.
Yeah.
And putting a primer on the boiler and everything.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing I would end up driving up and down. I don't think I could do too much damage in that. There's no steering wheel. I wonder why. There's a big handle on the front to grab onto in case you go flying around. But this is a really cool ride. Manual power. That's green energy there. Well, that's it. The Arkansas Railroad Museum is pretty cool. They've got a ton of stuff, and they have things they're working on and restoring. And it is actually free to the public, but they ask for a donation. So, I mean, that's no problem. You know, when you go to something like this, it's like give them something to keep it going, because they need plenty of support and help from the community and from visitors. And that was cool. And I guess I'm gonna see you on down the road a little bit. Hang on. Well, it was a dream come true. It's something I've been waiting for many years, and I finally did it. I opened my own place, and it's ready to go, except for one thing. misspelled my name again. I always misspell my name. Well, this appears to be a little bit of Pine Bluff entertainment trivia. See, it's got this big mural downtown. And it's Freeman Owens and Broncho Billy Anderson, two who shaped the movies. Interesting. I'm about to look that up and see what's what. If you find any information on this, put it in the comments. There's a lot of people that like to eat chicken on a stick, like little pieces of chicken, you know, on a stick. But there's a boat on a pole. And that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Actually, it's on two poles. That's even cooler. Batesville. Pepsi of Batesville. Oh, look that! Look that! Giant watermelon. Look that! He got a little bottle cap on his head. This is downtown Batesville. It's pretty cool. It's all fixed up. We got Randy's Music over here. Antique places. There's some restaurants and things. And the Melba Theater over here. Let's go. I'm gonna pass in front. We'll see what's going on at the Melba. I see some people out front. What's going on at the Melba? That's a cool marquee. All right. Well, here I am near downtown Batesville. Actually, it's a couple of blocks over there. It's getting to be supper time. And we got, let's see, Mexican Mamas. We got, that's a good burger for burgers. There's places to eat. It smells real good. That one is not too open right now. Got all kind of good stuff around here. I don't know how I'm gonna choose what I want. Street tacos. Ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna get. All right, I got some enchiladas. That's them. And we gotta see how this goes. Looks good, it smells really good. See what happens. They're pork enchiladas too. That's good. That one didn't have a lot of meat in it. That bite. This is better. That's some good stuff. Good way to wrap up a busy driving day. Check back soon for more Look Dat.